it's so important that people develop the confidence, the education, the skills to be able to navigate the changes in the world, because they're going to come whether we're ready for them or not. And particularly for young people, that absolutely means doing all you can to get the best education available to you. Being willing to get out of your own comfort zones, to put yourself in the place of other people. And it's not just an intellectual exercise, it's also, you know, developing empathy and understanding so that you're able to, you know, bridge a lot of these divides that are there by virtue of history and our differences, but also are being weaponized by people who don't want us to cooperate, don't want us to get along, who desperately want to divide us because divide and conquer. It provides opportunities for them. So it's important that, especially today, and it's not just about young people, it's really about all of us, that we, you know, try to see through some of the many, many smoke screens that are being thrown up that try to create these divisions.